usually at DGT at Davao City, so I'm usually trying this one. And look guys. And I'm eating mozzarella cheese. Mm. This is a popping one. It usually pop on my mouth. So this is the video of DGT. It is really cold in here. That's where I buy it. It's on DGT on Davao City, Davao del Sur. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.